Hey guys, and welcome to another Quark streaming tips. This time I'm going to show you how to quickly stream on TikTok once you've reached your quota of between 800 and 1000 depending on the region, 800 followers. Then you want to get streaming, maybe you want to play games on your live streams, and I'm going to show you how to do that within 5 minutes. Be up and running, jobs are good. Okay, so firstly we're going to your web browser. You're going to go to TikTok, Live Studio, download. Right, so now this is for Windows only. I don't know the answer as to why they've not got the iOS one yet. I'll try to find that out for you and comment below if you need to know the answer. Click download and then save that to the folder that you choose to save it to. Simple there. Once it's downloaded, which I've already done, you click on the file, click yes, and then save it, install it to the directory that you'd like to install it to. Again, I've already installed it, so I'll skip that part. But once it's installed, double click yes, and then it will open like so. Now the first time you open it, it may ask you to log in. Just use your normal TikTok login details, your username, your password, and it'll literally open just like this. Now it does set you up with very basic setup, which you can use straight off the bat. I think I've added a couple of things to it as well there, and it's also got a landscape version, which you do. But it's very similar to Twitch, and when people don't mind using their phones at a landscape when they're watching your live. Now I find, and I could be completely wrong on this, that TikTok don't seem to make you as visible on the For You pages and the suggested pages if you're a landscape streamer. I could be wrong, but it just seems like the figures that I've got, it doesn't seem to be as many as a portrait. I'm going to show you the portrait setup for now. Right, I'm going to go on blank for now. Now you've got, so it's cast Android, cast iOS. This is if you want to cast your screen from your mobile phone. Now some people like to use their mobile phones as the webcams. I personally don't, but that being said, the mobile phones cameras are very good. And if you have a good bracket and you want to use that, by all means, install the program. I think it's Bonjour. Download Bonjour from Apple's official website, and that can be used on Android and iOS. I use a webcam, so we're going to click on webcam. Now it's currently being used by my OBS, so we're going to go OBS virtual camera, and I like to have a bit of a virtual green screen, which is great. The one thing that TikTok has done right is giving you a virtual green screen. Click foreground, and that takes away your background. Add source, and as you can see, I'm there, and I no longer have a background. And that, to be honest, is very, very good. It's quite clear. You can see my hand still just about as I put it further back. We bring it forward. It's reasonably clear. But it's very rare that it loses image of your face or anything like that. And then maybe you want to add a source behind that. Let's add a little picture behind that. Now don't forget, you could do this on landscape as well, so you could actually put yourself in the corner of your game if you wanted to. But we'll put my logo behind me. There we go. There, we'll stretch it out. That's now being in front of me, but then I'll just drag it there. Now that's behind me. Smaller. How's that? Okay, so you've got your logo behind you. And then you could add your display. There's your display capture. Click add. 1920 by 1080, but then it just depends on your monitor size itself. And we'll stretch that. Now I like to make it a little bit bigger than the actual screen itself, just purely so you get a better visualization. of the game you're playing. And also, a good thing about the TikTok Live Studio, there's not many of them, but there is some good things. It's got a snap feature, so it snaps you to the center of, you see that line up here now? It snaps you to the center, so you know where the center is of your screen. So that's good. And then at the bottom, you can maybe add another image, or we can add a goal. So we'll add a goal. And we want to add goal fun. We'll get new followers, and let's say we want another 100 followers, so we'll make that to, we'll make it to 3,300. So 134 followers. So add source, and that's going to add a little goal. We'll maybe put that there like that. And maybe we want to add another goal, or you might want to put a picture behind that. You can put chat behind it and move that goal to the top of the screen maybe. You've got a capture card, so maybe you've got something on the Xbox or something like that. This you want to display on there. You put your alerts there. We'll maybe add alerts. I like to have the alerts over my face. We'll add source. We'll put it just there over my face. Or at the top. There we go. So when someone follows you or gifts you, the alerts will appear at the top there. Right, and then that's it really. Got images, you can do a countdown timer, you have a leaderboard for various different things for viewers. You know, as they're gifting you, you can add the leaderboard. You can show the top 5 sports, the top 20 sports or whatever. I'd probably say top 5 of the source. You can maybe put that somewhere at the bottom maybe. That's up to you. I don't personally have a leaderboard. I don't want people competing against each other to spend money. You know, I want them to enjoy my stream and not feel they have to pay. But that's individual things. Now you can add a goal. Your live goal. I think I've added 100 million peace signs there. And that adds a little goal at the bottom of the screen here. This is your subscriber count, and my goal subscribers are 5 at the moment. You can have a multi-guest, and that's everything you need to know there. Right, okay, you could go into settings now. Stream quality, you just test speed. Once you tested the speed, it will ask you, it will give you an option of accepting the settings it wants to give you. Now, my speed is currently actually quite slow. It should be about 500 megabits per second, but it's not. But it's saying I should be streaming at 60 frames and 8,000 bit rates, so I'll accept that. That's fine. And then you can go into record, change the folder where it's going to record videos. You can use it as a recording studio. Your hotkeys are there. Your in-game overlay, you want to turn it on. I just put the chat overlay into your onto the other screen or wherever you want to place it. We can simply do that by just clicking pop out. You can move that to wherever you want that to be, and change the opacity of it by going into your settings. And that's simply it. Then you just go to go live. I only got an auto screenshot, but maybe you want to put a front cover on there for your viewers who will recognize your, maybe a logo or something like that. Choose what you're streaming. So in my case, gaming, Fortnite, and I put Fortnite. Join me on Twitch because I stream on both at the same time. Right, now below that you've got subscription. So people have subscribed to you. Maybe you want to do only people who've subscribed can chat, or maybe you want to do a subscription only complete live, so only people who subscribe to you actually join the live. The audience controls is it doesn't show on people's For You page under or registered as under 18. Now we all know that TikTok aren't great at doing age checks, so you will still get some kids slipping through the net, but that's a good thing to use. That's it, simple as that. If you've got any questions, guys, please comment below, smash the like, drop us a follow. I shall see you next time. Again.